Welcome to The Rise of Social Enterprises, an exploration into a new model for positive global change. We are facing unprecedented global challenges that affect all corners of the world, from poverty and unemployability to climate change and threats to peace and stability. Around the world, organizations are setting a global roadmap to improve our future, economically, socially, and environmentally by 2030. For decades, we have relied on two primary models to tackle these challenges: businesses and charities. Businesses are powerful engines of growth, creating jobs, driving innovation, and maximizing profits. Charities work to solve social problems through donations and grants, relying heavily on generosity. However, both models face significant limitations in addressing today's complex challenges. Businesses alone cannot solve every social challenge when their primary focus is maximizing profit. And nonprofits alone cannot always sustain long-term solutions due to reliance on fluctuating donations and grants. We need a new, integrated model for change. We need a model where purpose meets the self-sustaining capability of business. This new model is called social enterprise. Social enterprises use the efficiency, scalability, and sustainability of business while solving real societal challenges. Social enterprises are often started by founders, communities, or mission-driven organizations focused on solving social or environmental problems. Like businesses, they generate revenue. But instead of focusing only on profit, a large part of those earnings is reinvested to expand their impact and support their mission. Social enterprises can take many organizational forms, but they are united by a common purpose: creating positive change for a better world. India has seen early examples of this idea. Organizations like Amul transformed rural livelihoods while building one of the world's largest dairy brands. Across India, social enterprises are already transforming lives, including Cloud Counselage, which is working to solve youth unemployability and create pathways to bring 85 million jobs to India by 2030. As solving unemployability is not just about creating pathways to opportunity, but also jobs. Purpose-driven organizations attract talent, build stronger consumer trust, and create long-term sustainable value. The goal of social enterprises is simple: empower people, create opportunities, and enable meaningful impact through sustainable models. The future of business will not belong only to companies that make money. It will belong to organizations that solve problems. And social enterprises are showing the way forward.